I wanted to make a salad that combines the sweet taste of shrimp with the tang of lemon and the crunch of celery in mayonnaise. I had some peeled cooked shrimp. Let's see how it turns out. Let's cook. Let's start with cutting up 2 stalks of crunchy green celery into very small pieces. And a ½ cup of mayo. Actually, this is a low-cal alternative. Into a mixing bowl, add the celery, and mix into the mayo. Two stalks of green onion, cut that up finely. Into the bowl and mix into the mayo. Just a bit of red onion for color and flavor. 1 or 2 slices will do. Cut up finely and into the bowl and mix. Now, a lemon. Half will be squeezed into the bowl for juice. Please like, comment, and subscribe. And mix. Lots of mixing going on here. And some Dijon mustard for a little bit of extra taste. A teaspoonful is enough for me. Into the bowl and mix. Let's taste it. It seems pretty good. And the hero, of course, is the shrimp. A ½ pound of cooked, cleaned shrimp. These were previously frozen. Remove the tails and cut into small pieces. And add to the bowl. And the final mix. Ideally, let it sit for ½ an hour for the flavor to seep into the shrimp. Garnish with some parsley for a pop of color. And a few whole shrimp to sell the concept. Cut the other half of the lemon into sections and add as garnish. And serve with slices of French baguette. That was wonderful. I love that taste. Ingredients: ½ pound of cooked cleaned shrimp, 2 stalks of celery, 2 stalks green onion, 1 slice of red onion, 1/2 cup of mayo, 1 teaspoon of mustard, a half a lemon for juice, and a half a lemon for garnish.